Hey guys, Tariq here to teach you how to export and render your video project out of Adobe After Effects, like the intro you just watched. Once your project is complete and you're ready to export, make sure you have your final composition open and go up to the Composition tab and scroll down to Add to Render Queue. Now the Render Queue tab should be open on the bottom bar, and you're presented with a bunch of different settings. Near Render Settings, click Best Settings and make sure that the quality is set to Best and the resolution is set to Full. Next is the Output module. Click Lossless, and here you can change the format of the video output settings, and you can resize and crop the video as well. Lastly, the Output To menu. So you can choose a destination path for this video. I'll rename it first, leave desktop as the destination, and save the changes. The last step to export the video out of After Effects is by clicking the Render button on the right-hand side. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, for others to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss videos just like this one that I'll be posting in the future. Thanks for watching.